Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us today. So in today's video, we're going to be moving very fast. We're going to be talking about how to survive as a Nigerian student. Oh my God, I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss this for any reason. For you to feel prepared, for you to feel relaxed, for you to feel comfortable around your school environment, you need to attend induction ceremonies and orientation organized by your school authorities. So you need to know the in and out of your school, but you can't do that without attending ceremonies and orientation organized by the school. Choosing friends in school or in the university is one key thing you have to do. It's one deliberate thing you have to do in the university. You don't just go about choosing friends anyhow. You choose friends that are intelligent, friends that are smart, and friends that are teachable. Always note that the friends you choose today will either make you or mar you. So choose wisely. So it's easier to avoid lectures because you have no one to chase you from your hostel, from your bed, from your house, or beat you for not going to class. While this is good, not attending lectures might have a negative effect on your school performance, which I know you wouldn't want that to happen. It's normal to feel stressed out because you're not used to the new life. A whole lot of new activities are taking place, tests, assignment, field trip, and the rest of that. So I have done a video about how to manage stress, and the link is on the description button. Please do well to watch it. Another tip that can help you survive as a student: learn how to cook. So learning how to cook your own meal instead of eating outside can save you a whole lot of money. Learn how to cook simple meal and buy food in bulk quantity, which will help you save money. Learning how to live with difficult people. This is a major skill that every student should have if you intend to have a good stay in school, especially those who would be staying in the school. This particular tip is going to blow your mind. Pay attention to your spirituality. Yes, if you're a Christian, don't stop attending church now that you don't have someone to push you around, go to church and all of that. And if you're a Muslim, don't avoid going to the mosque. Stick to your values and do not ignore your spirituality. All these are vital if you want to strive in a Nigeria university. So the second to the last tip is study hard. Yeah, always remember that the number one reason why you are in any university is to come out with the best and good grade. That can only be achieved through studying hard. So put in the effort to succeed. Attend lectures, complete assignment, write your exams, write your theses, just do what others are doing and make sure you come out. So the last one here is entrepreneurship skills. So for you to survive in school, you need to have a source of income. It will help you save money, it will help you stop borrowing, and it will help reduce the burden on your parents or on your guardian. I'm not going to be talking much on this step because in my next video, I'm going to be showing you different side hustle for every Nigerian student. Attending a university is an experience for the average Nigerian. It is a world of opportunity, a chance to network, and a perfect rollout of your shell. We understand that school life can be difficult, but if you follow the above tips, we are sure that you will survive in a public university. Thank you so much for watching this far. If this video was helpful to you, please do well to hit the subscribe button, share, like, so others can see and also get value. See you in our next video.